Alright, we're back. So now we're going to check our alignment of our caliper here. Now this goes on easily. So, put that up in there and we see how much space we need. So now we're going to have a lot thicker washer than we had before. Not a ton thicker, but these thin ones will probably work too, but they could be another 30-second more than these. This caliper's all eaten away on the inside because it was too close. So I'm pushing her up against the pad right now and I'm too close. I need to come away a little bit. So if you put those thin washers there and tighten it up, you got the brake on all the time. You need to come out a little bit. Alright, so you need to find some washers that are bigger than that. 3/8 inch. Let's see, we got 3/8 inch by 3/32 washer. Something fairly heavy duty. American made, hopefully. Somebody put that in the wrong spot. Goes over there. These are about the same that we already got. These are not going to work. Alright. Chrome stuff. See, those are thicker. A little bit thicker than those ones. Try those, see if that works. See the thickness difference. Okay, where's our big bolts at? Here. Put that right there, look at that. Looks nice. Couldn't find a spot. It's just clearing. It's hard to tell though. Alright, this is 15 thou thick. If that fits in there, we got clearance. If it doesn't fit in there, you ain't got clearance. Yeah. It's in there a little snug. Maybe they don't have clearance. Here's that. So those washers aren't thick enough. see what we got on the back side. Goes right in there, obviously. Okay, so we need more than this now. I'm going to see what I can find. Alright, back again. Okay, these are a real thick, heavy-duty washer. So we're going to try these. These might be too thick. If they are, then we got a PM shim kit here. So you have to stack up 2 or 3 of these in to get what we need, but we can get what we need with that. But I'd rather not do a bunch of stack. I like doing one big washer. That's my preferred way of doing it. Already feels better. Let's see if it is better though. See, bolts are going in easier now, so probably going in straight. Okay, that one's now loose on that side. Drag on the back side. One extreme to the other. So now we're tight on the back side, loose on the front side. Too far. This one's tight in there. See the gap in here now, though. The pad's way up in there. I don't know if you can see in there that deep. Goes in about halfway pretty easily on the bottom. That is too tight. So I have to find something in between our two shims. So we need something in between these. Not much difference, but there's enough. Okay. All right. So 3/8 bolt kit. Hopefully one of those will do what we need. Thick ones. Alright, flat surface. We could measure this, but it'd be too easy. So this is what we got to deal with. Okay, that's what we had before. So if you take the whole stack and put them together, a little bit taller than that. Okay, so 2 of these is a little bit thicker than 1 of these. It's thinner than this one. So this is right in the middle. I don't hear any dragging that time. It's touching, but it's, when you pull it out, it doesn't go pop. And then it has a little bit of a gap on the back side. So we're kind of right about 0. So if I put the other shim in there, which is the same thickness as the scale here probably. If I put this in there, it'll probably put us right in the middle. Or it's going to be too much. Right now it's usable the way it is. Put the thinnest one between the two. Definitely not hitting. Okay, that one falls in pretty easy. Now that one rubs. Very close. So that's a few thou difference. So you can go with either 3 shims or 2 shims, either way it works. So if I have my choice, I eliminate as many shims as I can. So I'm going to go back to the 2 shim. And I think we'll be fine on all the dimensions. Okay, so now we have to bleed it. So we're going to put the banjo bolt over here. Did it like that. Probably that direction. tight. That's tight. Okay. Now you can't bleed it upside down because the air wants to go up, not down. So you have to take the caliper off the bike to bleed it. Of course, all our washers are going to fall out. Turn it away. Okay, the thinnest one we're going to leave out. Okay. So you have to put something here like a brake rotor, something close to that thickness to allow us to bleed it and not move those in. So easy, just go over here and find something in my junk pile. There's a piece of 1/4-inch plate. Fits in there perfect. Okay, that flips in there like that. Now when you squeeze this, it'll squeeze that solid, but that's thicker than the rotor, so it'll go right back up. So we have to flip this over like this, and then we bleed it by opening up the air right here. Like that. Just go poop poop like that, and it'll bleed. Of course, all that good brake fluid is going to go right on top of the new pads. Scientifically designed to be that way. Okay, let me get the front here opened up over here. We'll be right back.